In line with its first anniversary in the Philippine market, Kia Philippines took members of the motoring media on a ride and drive to Costa Pacifica, Baler, on board 10 units of the new Kia Seltos.
We are here on a two-day ride and drive trip, road trip with our media friends, 38 participants over hundreds of kilometers. We had a short stop in Nueva Ecija, and we've been going through kilometers of good paved roads mixed with rough roads, straight and twisties, all trying to test the mettle of the Kia models that we have today.
The team headed up North Luzon en route to the scenic coastal province of Baler. The route was a mix of stretches of open highway and twisty mountain roads. These conditions allowed the drivers to experience the pull from the Seltos 2.0-liter dual CVVT-equipped motor that produces 149 PS of power and 179 Nm of torque. Mated to Kia's intelligent variable transmission with Drive Mode Select, the engine-transmission combo allowed drivers to enjoy their choice of relaxed, economical cruising or a bit of fun out of the open roads.
The models we have here are 10 vehicles, 10 units of the Kia Seltos. We have all three variants here in various colors, all available, and that's the lineup that we have. Plus the Sorento, the Forte, the Rio is also here, and we also brought along the Sportage. Several units all rolling in one convoy.
Besides driving Kia's newest offering, the anniversary drive was a celebration of Kia's first year under Ayala-owned AC Motors, with a 124% sales growth in 2019, brought about by new model launches Soluto, Stinger, and Seltos. According to Kia, the two-day Kia anniversary drive is a commitment of excellence for the Philippine customers.
I'd like to invite everyone to come and visit our dealers nationwide so that you can have a view and real experience of the models that we have in store. Also, wait for the announcement that we will make as we make more unboxing surprises from the brand that's known for the power to surprise, Kia.